Good day everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifoma Waji and I am here today on this video to teach you guys a simple eyebrow tutorial. Now before we go any further, I would like to plead with you guys to please like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell to support me. So without further ado, we need just a few brushes and of course we need the eye pencil setting powder. Note, if you do not have this, you can also improvise with your normal brown powder. And we also need a concealer. This is the concealer I use, and your foundation. Why? Because this is just a simple eyebrow tutorial. Before we begin this tutorial, I would like you to note some few things. It will be a lot easier if your eyebrow is shaped, and I'm going to be dropping a video on how to shape your eyebrow properly, and it will be better if your pencil is brown, not black, except you have special preferences to be able to get a well-defined brow. So let's begin. You have to start with your spoolie brush. This brush will aid you to brush your brows up in order for them to be defined. So you go in with your blending brush, you dip it in some setting powder and then you dust off the excesses and then you apply it all over your brow. If you do not have setting powder, you can improvise with your normal brown powder. This process is to avoid excess oil on the brows in order for the brows. Basically, we are just carrying out this process in order to avoid excess oil for the brow to stay longer. So we just brush them up. This is our already sharpened eye pencil. Now these are the points where you should take note of when you're about to get your line. First is this angle facing your eye. The next is this angle, because that's where you're going to get your arc. And the next is here, just below where your eyebrow stops. This process is going to help you to draw it regardless of if you have full brows or no brows at all. Follow these lines that you have outlined yourself. So we start from the bottom. Just go ahead with our pencil and follow the direction of the hair growth. Just follow the direction of the hair growth. I'm going to go ahead and do the second eye. Our first line, our second line, and the third line. So we basically just repeated the same process on the other side of my eye. Now the next process is we're going in with the angle brush. This brush is called the angle brush, and this is just how it looks there's a part that is slant, it is not straight, and it is really slim. So we're going in with this brush. When we are using our concealer, we are going to use a concealer that is about 2 to 1 shade lighter than your skin tone here, and foundation on the up part. So this is what I'm going to be using for the lower part. Make sure your hand goes straight and it doesn't shift. We're done with the lower part. Now we're going to begin with my normal foundation, which you can see for the upper part. You don't want to make this angle too sharp. To make sure that it is straight and sleek. Repeat the process in the other parts. Remember not to make the arc too pointy. Almost done. All we have to do now is to go in with our blending brush and just blend out. To make it very natural looking. So you can just go in with light powder and just use it. This is it. I hope you found this video very useful, and I want to plead with you again to please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. That is the only way you can help me grow. That's the only way you can support me. That's the only way you can encourage me to continue making videos like this. So thank you, and see you guys next time on my next video. Bye.